Maybach music.
Ready?
Wait, it's 10:22.
Yes. 10:22.
Coming at ya hot from 10:22. It's your boys.
Science safety.
We ready?
We ready. We made it.
Let's see the lyrics. To all the students in the place with brains and grace, allow me to lace this lyrical lesson we're addressing. Which of y'all thinks she'll be in the lab on the daily? None of you fools unless you practice science safety. So make sure you follow all these rules rather straightly. Follow all directions, ask them questions if you don't get what the teacher's got to say. Cause otherwise you might learn your lessons the hard way. Enter the lab, do not touch anything you have not been given permission to. This is somewhat critical. Don't eat food, it's just crude to risk the success of your project. It's an easy concept. Needless to say, no jokes or horseplay, otherwise you'll end up in 118 for the day. Clean up your lab with your crew when you're done, or else you'll be late for your next class. That ain't fun.
We know it sounds stupid, but you gotcha.
You gotta practice science safety, to put it quite plainly.
You really gotcha. Do it if you wanna.
Keep getting these opportunities. Don't act foolishly.
We know it sounds stupid, but you gotcha.
Practice safety all the time, and you'll be just fine.
Why?
Because otherwise you'll end up in 118 maybe, baby.
Check the mic and then start flowing like I'm out my brain. I swear one day I'll make it to the Science Hall of Fame. For those of you who don't know my name, it's your boy Hills. Hear now what I gotta say. Know the location of the safety equipment. It ain't that hard, I swear. It's not a big commitment. Dispose of all chemical waste properly. Trust me, it's the way to act scholarly. If chemicals are being used, you best be wearing goggles, or else they'll get right in your eye, and then you've got some troubles. Report any spills to the teacher that you see, no matter how small they appear to be. If using microscopes when it's time to unplug, do not pull by the cord that is not to be explored. And for you all to be a good people, for everything we didn't touch on, please consult the Moodle.
We know it sounds good, but you gotta.
You gotta practice science safety, to put it quite plainly.
You really gotta do it if you wanna.
Keep getting these opportunities. Don't act foolishly.
We know it sounds stupid, but you gotta.
Practice safety all the time, and you'll be just fine.
Why?
Because otherwise you'll end up in 118 maybe, baby.